Welcome to a day in the life of my vending venture. Today we only have one location to go to. It's a pretty big factory with about, 60, 80 employees. And I own 2 machines in there, but I control 3. It's a really weird deal. They wanted me to control the other machine, even though I don't own it. And well, hell, I'm okay with that. So it's a snack machine and a drink machine that I own, and then another drink machine in their kitchen. But yeah, for now we have to stop at Sam's and get some supplies. And picking up some snacks first, and that's all we need. Well, we need some of these, and then Texas cinnamon buns. They're good. What the hell are they? I don't know. Always want to grab from the back because that's the newest, and you always want your inventory to last as long as possible. So we have these, and actually we can scan on the Sam's app now, so we don't have to stand in line. And that's it. Done. Let's go. So now that we have the little bit of products that we needed, we're gonna go head over there, and that's the only location I got today, but yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, this is Andy with Prestige Vending.
Come inside.
Thank you. They don't really go for that. Moving on. Jesus. Here's my drink machine. And here's the best part. It's a little bit. It's still the first week at this location. Okay, but anyway. Alright guys, so here we are in their kitchen. This is the machine that they let me kind of run or take over, I guess. It's not mine. So I do need to change these out, as you can see. It just doesn't look good. It's not very professional. I like to make mine look nice. Also, this one has no card reader, but they do let me use it, and if I'm given the choice to make money or not make money, I'm gonna make money. So and this one's really hard to actually get it. Yeah, this one doesn't get a lot of use. Because of my two machines, I'm kind of choking this one out of business. What's nice about this one though is it has this cage, so that you can, when you get that 35 pack from Sam's, you can just set it right here and then just kind of go. But in my case, I use this for my door dashing days. I always dispose of my own trash, and you know, I just because it's polite and it makes me look good. One thing else is that instead of getting a machine and then immediately putting a card reader on it, kind of see the volume. Let people get used to it. Let people get attached to it. Your sales will go up. Let's see, I'm kind of choking this one out of business because mine are gonna they're in the break room for one. Some people don't even come in here. As you can see, this is the company's kitchen area. But yeah, I'm gonna
Just close the fucking door.
Right. Pretty good week. It was actually less than a week than when I came and checked it last. But I like the volume from it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the credit card readers in them. Actually, I still have yet to count, actually. All right, guys. Today was a good day. It was less than a week. You know, again, this is a new location that I just had put there. It's only 2 weeks old. I'm about to put card readers on them because I'm liking the volume that I'm seeing, but we're gonna go ahead and look at less than a week. So it really should be more than this. Less than a week of 2 machines and then the one that they want me to run, but I don't own it. So here we go. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, $94. So that's $94 for less than a week. And so if I put in my 2 card readers on them, you're looking at possibly $130 would be nice. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see other videos like this, where I actually take you through the journey of what I do, this was one of my locations here. Instead of me just talking to the camera, I actually took you all along with me to this location. If you have any other questions or you want other people to see this, you think this might benefit them as well, be sure to share it. Be sure to comment what you want me to show next, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.